There you go. Let's open it up. Oh yeah. That's called fish tacos for days. Out to the back corner of the property today. Got a trail cut. Oh, there he is. There he is. I saw him nail it. Yeah, we're in suspended water too. I saw him nail it. Yeah. Come on now. I'll catch one too. Oh, there he is. Oh, got him. Unless I got you. Please tell me it's on. You got fish. I just want you to bring fish. Oh, I see. Trying to piggyback off of me. Hang on just a second. Stop. It's not a mess yet. You got a good chance to get it undone. I know. Hang on. Nice. Suspended fish in the middle of nowhere. No humps, anything. Just out there in the middle of nothing. Nice little football. Hang on, man. One of these nice little Coosa River spots. They fight a lot bigger than they are. Ain't that right? That's the small point in this Coosa. Tallapoosa. Yeah, Tallapoosa. No, yeah, but those are Coosa River spots though, is what those are called. Yeah. Look, see it? See his lower jaw? It comes right to the back edge of his eye. Largemouth would be back here. Now they've probably interbred, but these are spots because you can feel their tongue is really rough. you stop. Yes, sir. Does not feel like it's into September yet. It still feels like August. There we go. Woo! Got all those trebles flying all over the place.
That's dinner.
Yes, sir. That's nice.
Look at that spoon right there. You got a spoon? Drop your spoon.
I cut my spoon off.
Okay, never mind. Before you do it. Look at the depth on it. Look at it right here.
I can tie it on one of my other rods right quick. Oh, nice. Hang on, I got a freaking...
Look here.
How deep are they?
Just everywhere, all scattered through.
Yeah, just troll through them. It's freaking too hot to be sitting still for very long.
That's the advantage of trolling, you
Yeah.
know?
Yeah, that feels nice. Do we have a double?
Oh, I thought I did.
That was it.
That's a good one. Let me get a hit net so we don't lose him. That's dinner.
That's a fish sandwich, right? Oh, he had other plans.
Huh?
He had other plans. He just pulled a little drag straight line. Oh, he is barely hooked.
Just bring him straight on in. Straight.
Yes, sir. Oh, look. Oh. Team effort.
Hold on.
Let me loosen up on there. You got plenty of slack now. Hold on. I got the net. You go ahead. Okay, now. That's what I'm talking about. Fish sandwich.
Oh, got him. Yes, sir.
Oh, did you really?
Yeah, he smoked
awesome.
right there.
Awesome. Oh, I got you. Oh.
Yeah.
Nice. Watch that camera. Let me shut this dripping fish juice in my camera box.
I'm not dealing with the technology on this one now.
It's alright. I just need the box closed. It works way better when it's closed. I promise. Here you go. Good job, man. Awesome. That was 4 and 5, right? How much more trouble are you willing to get into? I don't know, but that felt pretty cool. That fish had some fight to him. Look, you know it's really your buddy when you're on his boat and you see this. That's what I'm talking about. That's a true friend. Little head shakes. You ready? Oh, no, he wasn't. Get him. He wasn't. He said, no, sir, I'm not going that way. There you go. Drop them right there. Oh, I don't dare just throw them.
Oh, he's still on. Skiing. You can't spill my beer now. It'll be a fail.
Uh-oh. You don't have it in gear, do you?
Oh, yeah, I do.
Okay, well, I got some line right there around your...
Yeah, we'll have to...
No, it's right here. Hang on. Whoa. A little football.
That's why it's easier. It's actually easier to reel the fish in.
That crankbait was a hell of a fight. Oh man, I can't believe that. And this is a pretty light action rod for that kind of stuff too.